My name is Jesus Garcia Menendez, and the name of my company is Michelin Company Tires. My current job is to develop DDMRP in the whole facilities in the group. In particular, our planners, the impact of our planners is positive. It's a positive balance because there are a more visual and more ergonomic situation on the whole SKUs of the plan. What is the situation according to the flow? The alerts as well is more convivial and more easy to analyze every day. How are the more important priority alerts to analyze and to decide a solution. As well, the data, the information, the flow information is quite better than previously. And finally, the planners in general have more competences, more responsibility to decide according to the flow in a direct vision about how our customer need now and how is the priority, the real priority according to the flow right now. And this is a very important point appreciated by our planners using DDMRP and R+. Okay. In particular, we are especially happy about the technical support. Every time we have an issue, we have a general data manager who contact with DD Tech, and normally in a short time we have the solution. As well, the evolution of different versions for us is very interesting. You have a rhythm to continual improvement that we appreciate. And as well, finally, the tool is works well, do us a good results according to his reliability, his easy to use and quickly to train.